What's up guys, welcome to Man About Cake. I'm your host Joshua John Russell, and this week we're doing a Southwestern inspired cake. I'm gonna build a spice cake in a diamond shape, filled with cream cheese buttercream, finished with a Dreamcatcher and an awesome bull skull. It's gonna be cool. You guys ready? Let's do it! Yeah! We're gonna start by breaking down our diamond spice cake. Diamond. Just wanted to do a fun shape. Brandon, what did you do? What is that? What is this? What happened?
I rested my book on there.
It looks like you took a bite out of each side. I'm gonna fill the spice cake with cream cheese buttercream. Get this guy in the cooler, then we'll cut her, crumb coater, final coater. No! Did you want some of that? Well, you have to say, if you see something, say something.
Yeah, it's my fault.
See, this is me. Little sister, older sister, always caught in the middle. Hey Brandon, guess what we're gonna do to this after we...
Oh God.
Just guess what we're gonna do.
Please don't tell me we're gonna panel it.
We're gonna panel it. It makes me so happy. To start the Dreamcatcher, I printed out a Dreamcatcher that I liked, and then I blew it up, I laminated it, and then I cut out all the little pieces, which took a really long time, but now I can keep this and make multiple ones. So what I'm gonna do is roll out a disc first of modeling chocolate. All right, I'm gonna cut out a 6-inch circle. All right, now we're gonna stick our template here. And vein it. No, don't vein it.
Dream it.
Dream it. Now at this point, I'm gonna start to cut it out. If you're having issues cutting something like this out, I would put it in the freezer, and then it would get really firm and it'd be really easy. But I think that we can probably do it without putting it in the freezer. Let's see. Boom. You guys have lots of dreams? Not aspirations, like those kind of dreams. These.
Oh yeah, I have crazy dreams. I have one dream that I have so often, it's where I'm underwater swimming in a maze, that I've learned the maze and I know how to get through it quicker now.
It's called Mario.
I used to have a dream when I was a kid that me and my dad went fishing and we caught a dead person.
What?
I had it like all the time until I was like a teenager and then it stopped.
You know how hard it would be to reel in a dead person?
I know it's not real because it was a dream.
What kind of fishing poles were you guys using?
I'm waiting for my first Mac dream, like where James is actually Satan back there.
Yeah!
This looks awesome. I'm gonna get it back in the cooler so it stays firm. And now we're gonna panel our cake. Brandon, your favorite. Happy birthday.
Paneling.
All right, now it's time to panel the cake. I'm gonna use some fondant here and my spacing band so everything's even. And we're gonna roll this out with some cornstarch. I'm gonna sculpt a bull skull out of modeling chocolate I have here that's already processed. And then you guys have seen me do this before. I like to usually have the object in front of me. So I found this at a craft store, I don't know where. So we're gonna get just the general shape to start. Everything's a carrot, man. Everything's a carroty thing.
Kind of carroty.
All right, we're gonna mark the eyes here first. All right, let's put on his other horn here. It's a carroty thing. Go figure. Like your brother. Brothers don't shake hands, brothers hug. All right, now it's time to stack our cakes. All right, the top tier I'm actually gonna cheat to the front, that way I have a lot of space to put my Dreamcatcher and my bowl skull and all the stuff that's gonna hang down. Now comes the really fun stuff. So I have this product that I think is pretty groundbreaking. It's called edible fabric. So it's sheets that already come colored. Look how nice that is. And you can eat this. How cool is that? So hanging down from the Dreamcatcher, I want to do some edible lace. I want to do some of this and some feathers. So I'm going to cut some of this up first so you can see how easy it cuts. And I would just cut like little streamers. It's weird. It feels like fabric, but you can eat it. Brandon, eat a piece of this.
Okay.
Eat it.
It tastes like the smell of cupcakes.
Tastes like cupcake smell. I get it, I get it, I get it, okay. It smells like cupcakes too. By the way, if you guys want to get this product, everything's in the description box below. That's real nice. And sparkly. Anyways, okay, let's airbrush. I'm mesmerized by this stuff. I'm gonna cut a bunch of it up. We're gonna hang it below our Dreamcatcher. So I've got some pre-made edible lace here. You can get this product down there as well. It's all down there. And I also have a couple of feathers. Fingers crossed, I don't have the best luck with airbrush. Everyone knows that. Now it's time to put our cake together, yay! Okay, I laid out my Dreamcatcher and I love the way it looks. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick up the Dreamcatcher that's dry. I'm gonna paint the back with white chocolate and then lay it back down. That way all of my little pieces stick to it. Don't move. Perfect. Oh no, I dripped chocolate on her face. I'm sorry, dude. She's dead, she doesn't care. Oh, it's okay, it's okay. It was a cool idea. Yes. So cool. Now let's grab our cake. Okay, now I'm gonna mount my Dreamcatcher and then finish it with all the other decorations. I'm just marking where I'm gonna put my chocolate so that it meets at multiple points. Now let's glue some feathers. Okay, now let's mount our bull skull. With a sharpened dowel, I'm drilling a hole in the back of my bull skull so it can hang. Now I'm gonna take the same dowel and shove it through the cake, popping it into the board below. Now I'm gonna trim my dowel with dowel cutters. Now I'm gonna paint the skull and some watercolor around the cake using a palette of colors and confectioner's glaze. Let's paint his creases. I'm actually gonna paint and then take the paint away, the illusion that he's a little dirty. All right, now let's do some watercolor. Our Southwest inspired cake is complete. I ended up adding some gold ropes and a couple extra feathers. Remember, if you guys want to use the edible fabric, everything's in the description box below. And while you're down there, comment and let me know what dream you would make into a cake, because I think this one turned out so rad. Let's eat her. I'm gonna dream about this one.
Ba-da-ba-ba-ba-da.
Almost every night. I can remember my very first dream. My brothers and sisters used to say I had an adopted brother, and he came back and he had a roller, like a rolling pin, and he would roll people's legs and they'd turn into paper towels.
Get over here, Brandon, let's find out.
Tommy, where are you going? Stop crying. Tommy, come back here.
Dude, you gotta stop eating Doritos before you go to sleep, man.
You scared Tommy off.
You scared Tommy.
We got a fresh roll of paper towels in here, Tommy. Do you still have to turn it when the bounty commercials come on? Like, okay, I can't watch it, it's too soon.